In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data to users with custom user properties in Hubspot. This is an essential skill for managing nuanced user information and personalizing user experiences within HubSpot. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com, which is the official homepage for HubSpot, a robust platform tailored for businesses. Here, your journey begins. Once you arrive at the homepage, your first step is to locate the login button. You can usually find this at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, which typically include your email address and password. After you've entered your details correctly, proceed to log in. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home interface. This is essentially your command central where you can access a variety of tools and features HubSpot offers. Look towards the top of your screen again and find the settings gear icon. Click on it, as this will take you to the settings menu where you can manage different aspects of your HubSpot account. Within the settings menu, find the users and teams option. Clicking this will direct you to a page where you can manage users and create teams within your HubSpot account. This page acts as your portal to delve into the specific users you wish to customize. Now take a moment to identify the user with whom you'd like to add or modify data. Click on their name to select this user. This step is crucial, as changes you make in following steps will only apply to this chosen user. With the user selected, the next step is to click on Preferences. This tab provides various customizable options for individual user settings, allowing a tailored experience for specific team members or roles. Now direct your attention to the Custom User Properties section. It's within this area that you can add additional data. These properties allow you to define more personalized user attributes, which can be vital for segmentation and personalized marketing strategies. And with that, you've successfully learned how to navigate and add custom user properties within HubSpot. Utilizing custom user properties not only helps in maintaining organized user data, but also paves the way for a more personalized interaction and enriched user experience. By making the most out of these capabilities, you're setting up your team for improved communication, segmentation, and overall effectiveness within your HubSpot ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials on HubSpot and maximizing its features for your business needs.